What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today should be a pretty dang chill day in the shop. We're just gonna be sitting around assembling an Evo IX 4063 motor. So we're waiting on UPS to show up right now. Everything from MA Performance, every gasket and seal we need to reassemble this engine is coming from MA Performance. So I'll have them linked down below. Devin 5 will save you 5% off over there on their site. The only thing we're not getting today, and that's showing up tomorrow, is the timing belt kit. Can still assemble the engine and get it installed in the car today if we wanted, but I may hold off on putting it in till tomorrow just so we can get the timing belt on and all that good stuff situated before we actually throw the motor into the car. While we're waiting for UPS to show up with our MA Performance package, I'm kind of just messing around in the shop, getting a few things cleaned up. As you can see, we have the block off the engine stand right now to get this rear main seal out of here. So the seal is pressed into this aluminum housing. We're gonna pop off this housing, get it all cleaned up. That housing is siliconed onto the block, so we're gonna have to re-silicone that. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. This whole block was so freaking oily. So many different leaks on this thing. There we go. So that seal should pop out of there and we can get the block cleaned up. I already got the head gasket surface cleaned and all the tops of the pistons cleaned up, all the carbon off of there. So let's run this thing through the parts washer, run that guy through the parts washer. When we get all of these cleaned up, we do need to run through the head and give it a final wash. It was just hot tanked, but I always prefer to run brake cleaner through it just to make sure it's spotless. We got the head all cleaned up. The new lifters are here, so we can go ahead and reassemble this head. We can get the cams in, all that good stuff. Completely torqued down even, because with the Evo 8 and Evo 9, unlike the 10, you can have the cams in and still get the head onto the block and still have access to the head bolts. All right, we got everything laid out. Let's run through, throw in the lifters, the rocker arms, get the cams in, and then we can get the cam caps on and torqued down. All right, the head is all finished up, ready to be bolted onto the block. Before we put the block back on the engine stand, we need to get that rear main seal on, because if we don't, then we won't have enough space in between the stand and the block. We gotta get that block cleaned up, get this seal swapped out on this housing, and get it back onto the block. First up is everything on the front of the engine. We have that front case with the oil pump, the balancer shaft. As soon as we get all that on, we can move on to the oil pan, and then we can get the head onto the block. All right, we're making some really good progress. Pan is on, front case is on. We do have to still come back and torque down the oil pan after the sealant dries for about 30 to 45 minutes. It's just hand tight right now. But in the meantime, we can flip it over, we can get the head installed, and then by the time we're done with the whole top end of the motor, we can come back and torque down the oil pan. We're pretty much almost done with this thing. Today's going really, really smooth. Cylinder head is on and torqued. We got that front motor mount on, or I guess like the side motor mount. This little bracket right here is for the upper timing cover. And unfortunately, to get one of the bolts on, we have to pull off the cam gear. And of course, the cam gear, little nut right there to access the bolt to get the cam gear off, is stripped out. So I'm just gonna pop off the whole cam, get that bolt on, throw the cam back on. We cannot time this thing. I have decided to wait until tomorrow to just get this thing properly timed, make sure it's 100% good to go, have a complete engine to put in the car. I don't feel like putting it in the car and then messing around with timing and all that crap. So I really do want to put it in the car tonight, but it's like, I want to be patient and wait and do it right the first time. So let's pop off this cam. We can get the bolt on for that. I don't know what else we could throw on tonight. Timing belt is coming tomorrow. I guess we can put on that bracket. Other than that, we can't really do much. All right, fam, we made some really, really good progress. The last thing we can do is torque down the oil pan, and then we will be done for the night. Let's see what the oil pan goes to. Oil pan bolt goes to 80 inch-pounds. Well, boys, that is it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I know it was a bit on the shorter side. I've been trying to make like 15 to 20 minute videos now instead of like 8 to 12 minute. I hope you guys are enjoying those longer videos. Tomorrow, we're definitely gonna get the motor in the car if all goes as planned. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully that timing belt shows up early so we can get this thing banged out, throw it in the car, and maybe even get the first start up. I'll see you then.
How about always cleaning when you come over?
Did you get the brew?
Yes, I got the goods.
It's been a long, stressful day working on the Evo motor. I just really needed a brew. I brought you a bag.
Gracias.
What'd you get me? Truly? You got Truly.
It's a new kind. Or Blue Moon.
Blue Moon's the go-to when you're really stressed.
But I decided that you need to watch your calories.
What is this? Black cherry lemonade.
Okay. Can I try?
Okay. It's actually damn good.
Ow. I think I'm drunk. Should I give Coda some?
Sure. Are you sad about what's happening tomorrow?
No. Not at all. Not even one bit.
Something's happening tomorrow with one of the cars. And you guys will know in the morning. Bobby doesn't even care. We're selling her car. We sold Bobby's car.